What's going on, stackers? So today I'm going to show you a real easy online job that you can start and you can earn up to $140 in an hour. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start to make some money online. So go and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, how are we going to make this $140 per hour? The website we're going to be using is called Respondent.io. Now, as always, I will leave a link for this in the description below, so it's that little bit easier just for you to go and check it out. So with Respondent, you will be becoming a research participant and you will get paid to do so. Now, if you're interested in doing this, you want to come to up here for Respondents. So once you're on here, you can read a little bit more about the platform and what you will be doing and how you will get paid. So get paid for participating in research studies. Respondent is the fastest way to find high-paying research opportunities. If we scroll down, we can see that they've actually paid over $2 million to respondents, 30 minutes average interview length, and you can earn average $140 per hour, which is actually pretty high. So all you would have to do is verify your profile. So you would connect your LinkedIn or Facebook. I'm presuming that you have a Facebook and not LinkedIn. So you'd connect that to Respondent so that they can verify your demographic and employment data. It's quick and easy. Then you get matched. So their matching algorithm will send you research studies that fit your profile. You can also browse projects to participate in. Then the third step is participate. When invited to a study, you will be able to select a time that fits your schedule, which is brilliant. So you don't have to be at your computer at a certain time because you can choose your own schedule. Then you get paid. So afterwards get paid automatically via PayPal. Respondent only collects a 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive pay. Now, a good thing about Respondent is that they actually have a referral program. So you can earn money referring friends. You sign up as a respondent and refer friends to paid studies. Share studies with people in your network that are likely to be a good fit. Now, if we just have a quick look over here, we can see that if we scroll down a little bit more, the average referral paid is $50. So if you have a few friends that you think would love this, you can sign up, use the referral program and earn extra money this way. Now, with any website like this, you always want to go to the facts section. Now you can do that by coming to the bottom of the page and going to facts just here, and this will pull up this page. So we're going to go straight to how does the platform work. So you apply to participate in studies that you think are a good fit for. Respondents are not paid to take qualifying survey. The research sponsor of the study reviews responses and sends invitations to those they think are the best fit. Now, one thing I want to get out there and let you know is that the reason that they take this 5% fulfillment fee is because you're not actually getting paid by a respondent. You're getting paid by the researcher or sponsor. Okay, so I just thought I'd let you know that. So if you receive an invitation to participate, you choose a time that suits you from those made available by the researcher or complete the unmoderated test. After you have completed the study, you are paid the advertised amount less a $1 or 5% fee, whichever is higher fulfillment fee. Okay, so just bear that in mind, but you can still make some decent money from this. So who can actually join Respondent? So any aged 18 or older can join. We're always looking for industry professionals, parents and students. We have projects that are available to the US residents as well as international. But just remember, you do need that PayPal account. As it says, all you need to join is a PayPal account and either Facebook or LinkedIn to connect your profile to. So if you want to come and check this out, I will leave a description down below just so it's that little bit easier. Now, if you want to learn how to work for yourself, build your own business, then don't forget to click that link in the description below and I'll send you my #1 recommendation on how you can start doing that. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.